everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tamanegi to wakame no salad. This onion and wakame seaweed salad is so easy, too easy almost, but it's stupidly delicious, quick to make and super healthy too. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tamanegi to wakame no salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 onions, 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 1 pack of katsuobushi bonito flakes, some ponzu sauce, and mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. Let's put wakame seaweed and plenty of water, just plain water, in the salad spinner. If you don't have salad spinner, you can simply use large bowl. So wakame seaweed and plenty of water. And I'm going to slice the onion in here too. So cut the top and the bottom. Peel the skin. Cut it into half, and let's slice it using vegetable slicer. You can of course use knife if you want to. Same for the rest of the onion. All sliced into very thin slices, like paper thin. Mix the onion with wakame seaweed. And leave it for 5 minutes or so to remove the pungency of the onion. Okay, let's drain and remove all the excess water. I'm using salad spinner, but if you're not using it, take some and squeeze it really well. Like this, and into the serving bowl. All into the bowl here. Some ponzu sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Mayonnaise. And katsuobushi bonito flakes. And tamanegi to wakame no salad is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so light and fresh, but the mayonnaise adds richness and creaminess, and katsuobushi adds so much flavor and umami to it, and it's incredibly delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Tamanegi to wakame no salad is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Because the salad is so light and healthy, let's go for something heavy for the other dishes. So how about chicken katsukare, which will also cover the main, and egg drop soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!